What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this stunning Porsche 911 Carrera S in for our level 1 package. Let's get into it. As always, before we bring the car into the studio, we have to give it a thorough clean to make sure there's no contaminants on the vehicle before we start our multi-stage paint correction. So now that the car's been pulled into the studio, we can take the wheels off, get them prepared for coating. As well as that, we can also start removing the rear impact PPF spots. This customer specifically requested that we replace the factory ones with some new PPF, as the clarity of the factory ones are no longer that good. Here you can see just a few of the imperfections on the car before we start our multi-stage paint correction. With this, we hope to remove as many of the imperfections as possible. You may notice on the smaller area of the cars, Toby's using this Flex PXE18 Nano polisher rather than our full 5-inch polisher. Once we've gone around the entire car looking for imperfections, we can then move on to cleaning the wheels. With all of our detail packages, the wheels will be taken off the car, so as you can see, now they're off the car, we can clean them thoroughly, both on the barrels and faces of the wheels. Now that the wheels are all clean and ready to be coated a bit later on, we can go ahead and apply the rear impact PPF. As mentioned previously, this owner wants to remove the factory ones just because the clarity is not looking as good as it used to. So now that the rear impact PPF's been put on, we can go ahead and start applying Ceramic Pro 9H to the rest of the car. Ceramic Pro 9H forms a permanent bond with your vehicle to give you that extra layer of protection. Now that the layer of 9H has been applied across the car, we can go ahead and apply this Remote Pro glass coating as well. As you can see, this coating gets smothered across all of the windows and then will be buffed off afterwards. Unfortunately, we didn't capture applying wheel and caliper to the wheels once they were off the car, but now it's been applied, we can put them back on the car and start applying the top coat. Similar to 9H, top coat also forms a bond with the paintwork to provide an extra layer of protection. Once applied, you should see that it gives you a deeper gloss finish, hydrophobic properties, as well as some anti-scratch resistance. Now that the top coat's been applied, as you can see, the car's looking absolutely fantastic. So guys, that's it for this week's video. We hope you've enjoyed this 911 Carrera S transformation. As you can see, it's looking stunning now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.